videos. So today I will talk about how to create a YouTube channel in an easy way. So first of all, just go to Google and what you get you have to log in to your email account using gmail.com. So basically just log in to a Gmail account, and once you're into a Gmail account, open a new window, go to YouTube, and everything start from here. So once you are in YouTube, you will see on the right side of the upper corner, you will see your channel. So this is my email address, and you can see options like create a channel, purchase a membership, YouTube Studio. And since I don't have any videos available or any channels, so I don't have nothing to do with YouTube Studio. So first of all, let's go begin with the create a channel. So they give you a welcome, warm welcome, and hit get started. So you can use your same name as the email address you have, or you can also custom your name. So I'm going to select custom names just to show you. So in channel name, let's say happy begin, and then I understand I'm creating a new YouTube channel with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Click on that and then hit create. So it's gonna load for a moment, and you will see your so nice work, your channel happy begin has been created. So you just created just like that. It's so super simple. So if you want, you can upload a picture here later on, and also you can tell the viewers what is your channel actually about. So tell about your channel, you can write down anything you want, anything in this short description. You can write up to 1000 words in the short description, and you can add up your social links, Facebook, Instagram, Twitters, and then let's begin. I create nice videos. So just for example, I'm showing you create videos, and then save and continue. Once you've done everything, all of that, if you want, you can add links to your site, or otherwise you can just leave it blank. It's totally up to you, or you can set it up later. They have options on the right side. You can see save and continue, and here you are. So you just create a YouTube channel. So they're gonna give you step by step where is everything. So in custom channel, you can give you a nice store around that. So you will see all the videos. This is your home channel home. So this is the video option, and if you upload a video into YouTube, you will see everything in here. And also you can create a playlist, channels, multiple channels under one name or under one email address. So let's so once you if you here manage videos, you can see the YouTube Studio. So if you hit learn more, and you can actually watch a video, or I'm not going into that, so I'm just showing you the easy way possible. You can watch it if you in your own time if you want to. So if you want to upload any videos, you just hit simply right next to the right corner, you said create upload video, just simple as that. So you can upload a video using that, and also you can see your analytics, like how we're doing with your videos. You can see, since I just created this account, you don't see any subscriber or any views into my channel because I don't have any video. So this is how you actually make a YouTube channels, as simple as that. So if you have multiple channels, you can create multiple channels with that. So you just have to switch your account. As you can see, before I had a happy day is my email address, and this is my YouTube channel. That's why it shows no subscriber, and this one is no channel. And you can also add an account if you want. So this is basically it is. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and see you in the next video.